Hey guys, it's Andrew from CryptoCoinDude.com bringing you our latest awesome content. Today, we're going to be reviewing an exchange that is gaining traction in the crypto space. This exchange is BitMart. Founded in 2017, BitMart is a premier professional digital asset exchange platform designed for crypto traders. In this review, we'll cover some general information about the platform, mobile support, the trading views, fees, deposit methods, and then we'll wrap it up. General info. BitMart has great volume and great depth on the order books, meaning this is an exchange that you can trade easily upon. BitMart's 24-hour trading volume was circa 606 million USD. This number places BitMart in the top 15 list of exchanges with the highest 24-hour trading volumes. Additionally, BitMart supports over 180 countries, so you're most likely going to be covered when trading here. It covers the UK and the US, so this is a great place to trade. Mobile support. Mobile trading is critical for the modern, on-the-move trader, and BitMart offers its platform as a well-packaged mobile application. If you have an iPhone, an iPad, or an Android phone, you don't even need a desktop to start trading cryptocurrencies on BitMart. Just download the app from the App Store or Google Play. From our testing of the mobile app, the performance was great and well worth a look. BitMart's trading view. The trading view is slick, lean, and user-friendly. Here's the exchange in action. Moving from left to right. Here on the left, we have the markets and the volume. In the middle, we have the charts by the popular trading view. Down below, we have open orders, order history, and trade history. And on the right, we have the order books for when you want to buy and sell crypto. The setup of BitMart's exchange is something that we really like. BitMart's fees, trading fees. Trading fees are very important when selecting an exchange to use. Every time you place an order, the exchange charges you a trading fee. The trading fee is a percentage of the value of the trade order. At this exchange, they divide traders between takers and makers. Takers are the ones who take the existing order from the order book, while makers make the order that gets taken. BitMart charges takers 0.20%. These are takers' fees and they are slightly below the industry average, which is around about 0.25%. On the other hand, makers receive a discount on their trading fees as they promote liquidity at the exchange. Makers at BitMart only pay 0.10% per order, which is competitive. BitMart's withdrawal fees. This exchange charges a withdrawal fee amounting to 0.0005 BTC when you choose to withdraw Bitcoin. This fee is below the industry average. Overall on fees, BitMart has a very competitive offering with respect to both trading fees and withdrawal fees. Deposit methods. At this exchange, you can purchase crypto through payment cards such as Visa and MasterCard. This is very helpful, especially for newer crypto investors who want a broad selection of available deposit methods. Many exchanges offer no fiat currency on-ramps at all, so BitMart distinguishes itself by offering this payment possibility. And that's our BitMart review. If you liked it, feel free to give it a share. And if you'd like to check out BitMart, feel free to click the link in the description below.